So this is a 1971 Ford Bronco Generation 1, restored. Vehicle is very clean. You can see the paint looks good. The only thing is, on real close inspection, you can see minor edge work, flaws, a little bit of rust. Nothing major. It's more of a 20-footer. Looks really good from 20 feet away. On real close inspection, you start to see minor details. You don't see any rust through the panels or anything, nothing major. And the blue that I'm seeing in this video does not accurately portray the actual color of the vehicle. It's more of a aqua teal kind of blue. It's just the lighting. See minor little flaws here and there. Once again, like I say, nothing severe. Some of this looks like just from when they waxed it. Little stuff like that. Minor imperfections around seams and seals and edges. Once again, overall, looks very clean. Aside from minor issues, like I say, a lot of the seams and edges. There's a little spot right there on the right door. Got some minor imperfections around the edges of the paintwork here. Nothing significant. This is just really critiquing it on a fine level. So the undercarriage is clean, rust-free. No signs of any physical damage. Rusted through panels. Frame rails all look straight. No signs of any prior repairs or sectioning or damage. They said it was a frame off resto. I do see a bunch of undercoating under here. Looking at the front differential, I don't see any leaks. Transmission, engine, I don't see leaks. There is some fluid here. Looks like it should be a simple fix. It's just the transpan gasket just bulged out here at the right front. That's about the easiest leak you can have on a transmission. See a little bit of oil starting to sweat on the back of the oil pan gasket. Nothing really gushing out. Once again, should be a relatively simple fix. Rear differential is all dry. Frame rails on the left side also in good condition. Exhaust also good, no rust. Rear suspension is all in good condition. Leaf springs, shackles, shocks. I don't see any leaks at the brake lines. Shocks are all dry. And coming over to the right side undercarriage, frame rail also straight, no evidence of any prior damage. All the work in the engine bay looks very good. You can see the clean detail to attention, aprons, firewall, everything inside nice and cleanly painted. Looks like the engine install was good. Fit looks clear. I don't see any objects rubbing where they shouldn't be. It's also got an upgraded radiator. The engine starts up and idles smooth, no ticking noises, no lower end noises, no abnormal whining noises from the accessory drive area. Engine starts right up without touching the gas. See the oil pressure gauge working, fuel gauge, alternator charging. Horn doesn't work on it.
For years I've run the fast lane, and my treads are wearing thin.
Overall, the interior is in excellent condition. If you look really close, you're going to find some small imperfections here and there. Looks like the door was rubbing at one time here. Little tiny details, some chips here. So it's not a concourse level show car, but it is clean. The work is good. I don't smell any abnormal odors. No signs of any mildew or mold or smoke. Seat material is all in good condition. Seat belts are clean. Rear seats in great condition. It's got the side mounted speakers there. Floor is all in good condition. Canvas top is clean. It's again all clean back here as well. And again, if you look closely, you're going to see some minor imperfections, a little cracking in the paint at the edges and seams. Once again though, no rust through, no major issues.